Hi guys, so today we will be playing Red Light, Green Light, Yankee Dookie, and Dum
Hi
Dum.
guys, welcome to my vlog.
Red Light, Green Light. And Dum Dum.
Okay, go.
That's it.
Yeah, they can also see me in your vlog.
So that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching and comment down below Baloya Squad 1127 to see more uploads and a tour video. So for now, thanks for watching guys and see you guys in the next video.